In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your Skrill account. This is going to be a super quick and easy tutorial, so let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll first want to ensure your Skrill app is open and that you're logged into your account. This step is straightforward, but it's always good to double check you're signed in to avoid any potential hiccups later in the process. Once you have access to your account, the next step is to locate the Add button on your screen. You'll want to give that a quick tap. By doing this, you'll be redirected to the deposit page, which is where most of the magic happens. Now, if you need to change the currency you wish to deposit, you'll find this option at the top of the deposit page. Just tap on the currency section. Doing so allows you to see a comprehensive list of all the currencies supported by Skrill. For instance, if you're planning to deposit in US dollars, simply select that option. The ability to switch currencies so effortlessly ensures you can manage transactions in the currency that suits you best, which is particularly handy if you deal with multiple currencies frequently. Once you've set your currency preferences, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Select Payment Method. This action will reveal all the possible options you have for depositing money into your Skrill account. From bank transfer to various card payments, you'll see a wide array of choices. In my case, using a credit or debit card is the preferred method, so that's what I'll opt for. Choose the credit or debit card option, and you'll need to input your card details. This includes your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code. There's also a card label section, but don't worry, it's optional. You can leave it blank if you wish, especially if you're looking to keep the process as straightforward as possible. If you're planning on using the same card for future deposits, be sure to toggle on the option that allows Skrill to save your card details. It's a time saver and a handy convenience for regular users. Once that's sorted, click Continue. Now simply enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Skrill account and proceed with the payment. Double check the amount you've entered before confirming to make sure there are no errors. Once your transaction is successfully processed, your funds should appear in your Skrill balance almost immediately. And there you have it. Funding your Skrill account is really that simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more insightful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.